Dear travelers, you're about to take a unique journey into the world's most special place with me. Please sit back and enjoy the next few minutes. In my opinion, the most special place on Earth is the skyline. It is created by our Earth and sky touching one another. In other words, the horizon. People truly start living when they start exploring new horizons, which is where my story begins. Our journey's first destination is to a timeless spot that is centered between verdant nature and a stunning lake view. This is Turkey's one destination spa. It is a place where your senses come out to play. It's Richmond Nua. Being the creator of the wellness culture in Turkey, Richmond Nua spreads across an area of 2,700 square meters. This sensational spa provides exclusive treatments, massages, and personalized therapies. Nua promises to give you an unforgettable experience by pushing the limits of your five senses. With its suite, deluxe and superior rooms all looking over the lake, and its reputation for being Turkey's most luxurious spa hotel, Nua is the best destination for people who want to find health and peace through relaxing. Nua also provides a natural body shaping technique called hypoxia that slims you down a size in 4 days, year-long detox programs, and personalized weight loss programs called Nua Slim and Nua Fit, all inviting you to find the harmony within your body and soul. Imagine a street that has witnessed hundreds of years. Imagine that 1 million people come and go throughout the day, walking through Istanbul's mesmerizing historical buildings. Finally, add into the mix a bustling shopping area, fantastic eateries, and enjoyable spots. When you need some personal time, slip away from the colorful crowd into your hotel room. Open your windows wide and gaze upon the Bosphorus' breathtaking view. Smile at the horizon that connects the two continents. Being the first and only hotel on Istiklal Street, Richmond Istanbul presents cozy suites and superior rooms. With its terrace hovering over the historical side of the Bosphorus, it is a unique place that combines both East and West. If you're planning a trip to the city and prefer to uncover the different tastes of Istanbul, Richmond Istanbul is the best place for business and pleasure. Have you ever glided through the Aegean Sea? Have you truly experienced the Aegean Sea with its warm breezes and deep turquoise color? The sea that once was sailed by ancient civilizations. I suggest you discover the Aegean all over again with your family at Richmond Ephesus Resort, which faces both the ancient Ephesus city and an endless beach. Feel the soft sand below your feet as you admire the sun and water meeting at the horizon. Enjoy being in a geographically sacred area amongst historical richness and natural beauty. Richmond Ephesus is the extension of the concept of hospitality in Izmir and is built to give you new meaning for resort through its blue flag beach. Wide gardens and activities that last all day long, and through superior villa and suite rooms that offer different experiences of accommodation. But most importantly, it is a trip that will make your entire family genuinely happy. On our tour of horizons, we've gone to Sapanca, Istanbul, and the Aegean. Our last stop is Pamukkale, which is known for its nostrum healing waters and for being in UNESCO's World Heritage List because of its travertines. The travertine found in Pamukkale is considered to be one of the natural wonders of the world due to its vivid whiteness. Richmond Pamukkale Thermal completes this fairy tale-like place with its unique sense of hospitality. It is also, without a doubt, the best address to be at in this area. Transforming your business trip into thermal water experience, flying in for the week to meet heaven, easing your joint pains that have been complicating your life, or going on an adventure in the ancient ruins of Hierapolis. Regardless of your reason to visit Pamukkale, Richmond Pamukkale Thermal promises to give you an unforgettable holiday with its suites and superior rooms that have been designed to suit your needs, along with its understanding of personalized service. Different cities, different types of hotels, different natural and historical beauties, different moments. To be able to touch different horizons in distinct parts of the world is my never-ending passion. It is a philosophy to live by. It makes me feel truly alive. As you are listening to me, if you have started to brainstorm new ideas and imagine the holiday you'll be taking soon, it means that the time has come for our final words. You are invited to discover Turkey through the horizons of Richmond.